Do you know that globally, the protein snack bar is expected to reach $32 billion by 2025? These numbers are a testament to the super fast popularity and growth of the protein bar industry. But what's driving this growth? The health-conscious consumers who want to achieve their fitness goals without dealing with the pain of groceries, cooking, and washing dishes later, which is the most frustrating and gruesome task for me at least anyway. They prefer protein bars for their ready-to-eat or on-the-go nature. A protein bar is a quick way to add proteins, carbs, vitamins, and minerals to your diet with an active or busy lifestyle. Whether you use them as a healthy snack alternative or swear by them post-workout, they're becoming a crucial part of the fitness world. The market is saturated with a variety of protein bars that draw a thin line between quality and some sort of superficial hype. So what's the truth behind protein bars? Are they really worth the hype? What are the best ways to incorporate them into your life? To find the answers, let's delve deeper. Protein bar ingredients are designed and crafted expertly to deliver a powerful punch of protein along with the correct nutrients while still tasting delicious. Proteins are an essential macronutrients imperative for your body's normal growth, muscle development, and maintenance of overall health. Usually, people prefer adding proteins to their diet because it helps to avoid age-related muscle loss and build muscle while training. That's why protein bars are becoming popular among hard grainers day by day. In simple words, the premise of a protein bar is to provide a convenient food, nutrients-enriched quick alternative, and to supplement your daily diet. That's all. The nutrient composition of protein bars can vary depending on the size and brand, or even flavors. Plus, the varying ingredients can shift the measure to 360 degrees. Generally, protein bars are made from dates, nuts, seeds, and whole grains like oats and quinoa. So the average protein content should be between 5 to 10 grams of fat with 25 to 35 grams of carbs, 15 to 20 grams of proteins, and 5 to 10 grams of fiber. Now you might be thinking that you shouldn't totally rely on protein bars for your micronutrient intake. My friend, you're mistaken here, because many protein bars are a good source of calcium, B vitamins, potassium, iron, and zinc. Though protein bars aren't an alternative to a healthy diet, they can work perfectly if taken as supplements only. Surprisingly, the FDA hasn't released a criterion or some hard and fast rules that describe a protein bar truly. So any bar with an amount of protein gets labeled as a protein bar as long as its protein content is specifically properly in the nutrition facts on its wrapper, which is, of course, not enough. Some of these protein bars can be loaded with sugar and fat, or maybe not the most nutritionally sound snacks. Point to be noted? Absolutely yes. There can even be a proprietary blend of ingredients in some protein bars with no mention of the details on the packaging. So make sure to check ingredient labels carefully. Numerous protein bars may be secretly making you gain weight rather than losing because of the high amount of added sugar and the use of unhealthy sweeteners such as fructose corn syrup. Fructose in excess amount can increase your risk of fatty liver and diabetes apart from widening your waistline dramatically. Moreover, protein bars generally have around 150 to 400 calories, and if the protein content exceeds 20 grams, then the calorie count can make up to 500 or more. So if you take 3 protein bars a day, meanwhile trying to lose weight with a calorie-deficient diet, then I would like to disclose to you that your efforts are going down the drain. Varying protein sources can also be confusing. Some protein bars include dairy products like yogurt powder, milk, or relevant products that feature whey and casein. On the contrary, some protein bars possess plant-based sources like soy, pea, or brown rice, which I prefer personally. Some protein bars rely on egg white, while others contain dried fruits and seeds as a primary protein source. With that said, there are some proteins that can be extremely unhealthy due to their more processed or highly concentrated protein sources like whey or soy protein isolates instead of whole food protein options. So why should protein bars be in your daily diet and how? Convenience and ease are the promises of protein bars. They're simple, ready to eat, handy, and convenient items as nutritious snacks. They serve as well-rounded bars containing a reasonable amount of protein and other ingredients. They work as a perfect post-workout snack because of their protein and carb content. Basically, protein bars boost your energy and help you repair muscles and recover from the exercise aftermath on your muscles. Some proteins are also a good source of fiber. Fiber keeps your digestive health on track, activates metabolism, and prevents overeating between meals. Additionally, some protein bars are enriched with vitamins and minerals that easily meet your daily micronutrient need. Many people look at protein bars as a healthy way to lose weight without compromising on their daily macro and micronutrient requirements. Since a high-protein diet promotes weight loss to a greater extent rather than having a diet having a standard amount of protein, be mindful while choosing the brand and flavor of protein bars. Various protein bars are also full of sugar and fats, which add up to make hundreds of calories. Moreover, protein bars alone can do nothing, as a healthy and calorie-deficient diet and regular exercise are mandatory in any case. For some, weight loss is the ultimate fitness goal. However, many people actually want to gain weight, basically the hard gainers. The most common reasons include building body muscles for athleticism, improving daily functioning, coping with some underlying medical condition, or looking more attractive. Protein bars are particularly popular among underweight guys who are advised by their doctors and nutritionists to consider adding weight gain supplements to their diet in addition to eating nutritious food and exercising. In this scenario, you must consume more calories than you burn on a daily basis. Calorie-dense protein bars can be really helpful to provide you with a significant number of calories in just one serving, such as some protein bars possess more than 350 calories, and a consumption of at least 3 between meals can add extra calories and promote weight gain. Protein bars can curb appetite, fuel a workout, and help to recover from workout. Protein bars can actively spur your efforts of gaining healthy muscle mass. Ideally, endurance and strength-trained athletes should consume 1.2 to 1.7 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, according to the American College of Sports Medicine. Protein bars can never be a replacement of your breakfast that is usually made from a variety of whole foods. I said it for once and all, but if you're always on the go, you can see them as a quick way to replace a meal. Plus, if you're looking for a quick breakfast option, protein bars with less sugar and hydrogenated oils are a good option. Well, eating protein in excess doesn't appear to benefit the health of the average person, and doing so can be harmful in some cases. The large amount of fats, oils, artificial sweeteners, and sugars can do more damage than good. And if you're eating protein for the sole purpose of getting enough protein, then you should reconsider your decision. You might be taking enough protein already through your diet. The general population, however, needs less protein than athletes, pregnant women, and those with chronic illnesses. Last but not least, protein bars can be expensive and may not be worth it. Besides checking for high-quality ingredients, it's always advisable to compare unit prices and find the best brands. On the safe side, you should choose a protein bar based on your goals and values and make sure they're made with whole foods rather than highly processed ingredients. That's all for protein bars. I hope you learned a lot from today's episode. If yes, just give a thumbs up and comment down below your experience with protein bars. Till next time, goodbye.